Good morning and welcome to another edition of the Weekly Team Focus. This week we are going to review how to pull numbers and understand the AR Holiday Bonus Scorecard. If you're a Dentacon office, we're going to go ahead and show you how to pull the report we use. If you're a non-Dentacon office, we use the reports you send us. Dentacon office, you're going to go to Reports, Monthly Reports, over to Aging Report. If you have access to more than one office, make sure that you go ahead and uncheck Include All and just pick the office you're looking at. Since this bonus focuses on cleaning up our 120, I'm going to go ahead and take off current, over 30, over 60, and over 90 and go ahead and run it. Once this report runs, you're going to see that it comes up looking like this. We use the grand total amount of this report. So you'll see you have your numbers on top and then the grand total at the bottom. What we enter into the scorecard is under 120 and over with grand total. This is what we use for the insurance portion. This is what we use for the patient portion. And you'll see the grand total is the combination of the two. Then we go to our scorecard. And we go ahead and enter the numbers in where you're at today from the report. The way you should read this is your average monthly collections based on your P&Ls from January to August of 2024. Those months, you ask, why? Because those were the ones we had available when we were doing this bonus. So this column shows where you started on 10/1/2024, and it's laid out just like that report. Insurance, patient, the total of 120, and then where your collections were at that first day. The way you want to look at your tiers is based on the numbers of where you started on 10/1/2024. You're going to see that this formula across the line that says your total 120, this is going to be that number minus 25%, so lowering that total AR number by 25%. The next tier shows the number lowered by 50%. The next tier shows the number reduced by 75% or more. When you hit that goal, we'll go ahead and highlight it for you. When you get close to that goal, I'm going to go ahead and highlight it for you in green to show you that you're getting real close. That's how you want to look at your total 120. The other part of this bonus is your overall collections. So the way we work this one is we take your average monthly collections, and then we do the opposite, we increase it. So the first tier increases your average by 25%, second tier increases your average by 50%, and the third tier increases your average by 75% or more. Same thing there, if you hit the tier, we'll highlight it. If you get close, we'll put it in green. Something to remember about these reports is where you started on 10/1 will remain the same, but since we've extended the bonus through the end of December, you're going to see the tier numbers will change to include December as well. So the goals are going to be higher for your collections and lower for your 120 plus. I'm real excited that we extended this bonus. I hope this makes the scorecard easier to understand. Don't hesitate to reach out to me, but let's get after it. I know you can do it. Let's get that bonus.